me, the dam, the Colorado River, and the bypass bridge. As you look over the railing, you will see the tallest concrete dam in the Western Hemisphere. Hoover Dam stands 726 feet tall and stretches 1,244 feet across the top, but only 78 feet across the base. It looks somewhat like an upside-down pyramid. This massive arch gravity structure contains 3,250,000 cubic yards of concrete. That's enough concrete to build a two-lane highway from San Francisco to New York City. The thickness of the roadway is a mere 45 feet.